Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I was just waiting for that other video to load, and I thought, it'd be pretty cool to put a shadow underneath the ball so it really kind of looked real. You cannot put a shadow around this lens effect. If we go to shadow, it just doesn't work. So how do you get a shadow underneath it, or this? So I made it 8 inches. I'm going to draw an 8-inch ellipse. I'm going to get it close to my other ball. And then I'm going to select them both, and I'm going to go CE, and it put that ball right on top of the other one. Now I can nudge one of them out of the way. I can turn this one black, and I can take away the outline, and I can go to the shadow tool now and put a shadow around that. Now I can go to Object, break the shadow apart, move the shadow to here. There is white on a lens effect, and you could get rid of it, but in this scenario, we want it. Object, order, back a page, and then go ahead and group this together, Control G, and move it back to our box. And you have a shadow underneath that ball. It doesn't really stand out that much. We can make it maybe darker. And still, let's put it behind the page, behind the item, group it together, Control G, and look at that. You have a shadow, and it really makes it look like it's more so in the box. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.